Hello guys, welcome to my channel again. My name is Peter and thank you for tuning in to my channel. I hope this finds you well wherever you're watching from, and I'm also fine. And I just wanted to make this video today. I'm so much excited, optimistic, like most of you are going to win the DV lottery. Most of my supporters, my subscribers, I believe that they are going to win. We have to stay positive for this thing because this exercise we've been waiting for a long time, and now it's just reached a time when we have to see the results. So next week on May 3rd, I believe it's going to be on May 3rd. It's going to be, I believe, on a Saturday. Let me see here. Let me see, just check in one minute. Yes, May 3rd is going to be on a Saturday, and that's when the portal for to check the results is going to be open. And remember, there's a video I did. It's going to be noon EDD, Eastern Standard Time. So I did form a video, and I did actually, guys, guide you. Wherever you are, you can go to Google and type on the search bar box 12 noon EDD in, and then the name of your city where you are. Once you click enter, it's going to show you exactly what time you are going to check the results. And a few things you got to know. The website during that time is going to be very, very, very busy. Reasons being, everybody is going to log in and is going to try to access the portal. And so don't worry if you see your computer is taking a long time to display the results. What you might want to do is give it a little break or restart your computer and try again. If you are using your phone, your tablet, or if you are in a cyber, that's what I can advise you to do. And during the results, of course, it's going to ask you your confirmation number, which I've been telling you over and over. The confirmation number is very important. The 16 alphanumeric number is the one you are going to use to check. And of course, you can check as many times as you can. If within that time when you plan to go check, if you will not be able to go through and know your results, what you might want to do is wait like an hour or 2 hours, or you can check the next day. But the thing is, the sooner the better, because that one will put you in a position where you know your status. And if you didn't win, then you can put plans to try the DV lottery 2027, which I believe is going to be there and it will be announced. So other things I would like you guys to remember is, if you are checking, if you can, I said check it by yourself and make sure you get your access first and information instead of giving it to somebody to go and check it for you. Remember, I said not all people you might think are happy for you if you win, because you never know. You might find that, you know, there are some other friends or relatives or people who might not feel okay. So what I'm saying, the point is, go check it yourself. And if you win, congratulations. If you don't win, then it's going to be try another lucky. But we have to stay positive and, you know, feel like we are energized to do this exercise. Now, if you emerge a winner, there is going to be another process coming. You are going to think about how you are going to feel to apply for the immigrant visa. You are going to fill a document called, or a form called DS 260. And this form is going to cost you some money. It's $300. That one is non-refundable. So you have to put a budget you are going to spend to do that. And also, you are going to go through the medical. I'll probably will make another video to go over the process of filling out the DS-260 and how you are going to prepare for the interview at the U.S. Embassy in your home country. But that's what is going to happen. I'm looking at my notes here. So remember, check your results on May 3rd, 2025. You can check, there's a window you have to check until September 30, 2025. And after that, you can now get determined and know your status, know where you are. And another very important thing is the website you are using. Make sure that the website is very authentic. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to put that website below this video so you guys can go there and click on it and check the results right away. And you will also know that the U.S. Department of State will not send you a letter, or it will not give you a phone call to tell you that you have won. So the only way you can know that you have won is to go through that portal, the one I'm going to provide, to put your confirmation number, and it will either tell you have won or you haven't won. And I said, in case you forget your confirmation number, there is a video I did. You can go back and retrieve it. It's very easy. They ask you some few information on it, and then they can be able to send it to you either through your email, and then you will be able to check it. And I think that's pretty much what I wanted to reiterate on this video. And I am wishing everybody good luck as you are waiting. And if you are going to watch live, wherever you are going to watch from, make sure you have a computer, a good computer, well charged, your phone is well charged, and it's connected to the internet. And if you don't have bundles, buy bundles for the purpose of checking those results, so that you can know your faith instead of relying, other people to tell you. Thank you so much, and I hope I will see you in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.